I'm Carly with Avid Armor, and today I'm going to show you how to add oil into your Cellar Series Reserve Chamber Vacuum Sealer. First things first, when you're about to add oil to your sealer, you want to make sure that it's powered off and unplugged. Then you're going to open the lid, remove the seal bar, and set it aside. For the next step, you're going to need either a Phillips head screwdriver or a drill. You're going to need to remove all 6 of the screws that are located on the back of the side panels. There's 3 on each side. There's just no easy way. Just a warning, whenever you undo the top 4 essentially, the back panel will release and come off. But you still have to continue and get it all out. Once you have all the screws and the back panel removed, you're going to disconnect this larger white hose. And then you're going to find the 2 brown cords with the yellow connectors and disconnect those as well. Once you have the big white hose and the 2 yellow connectors disconnected, you're going to lift up on the chamber housing portion slowly. And it's going to open up all the way, kind of like the hood of a car. Once you have your oil plug removed, you're going to get your vacuum pump oil, and you're going to see on the side of the pump assembly that there's 2 notches, and you want to shoot for the middle of those for the acceptable or necessary amount for your machine to run properly. And then you're ready to add your oil. Once the oil gets to about halfway, you should be good to go. And then we're just going to put it all back together again. Once you have everything back together and you're ready to move on, you're going to plug it in, power it on, and you're going to run the pump conditioning program. So when you're ready to run the pump conditioning program, you're going to press the pump conditioning program button, and then you're going to press the vacuum button and apply pressure to the lid to make sure that engages. The purpose of the pump conditioning program is to pump some of the oil through the machine, so whenever you're going to release the vacuum, keep going. That happens. You're going to notice every minute it's going to release the vacuum, and this is a good thing.